We have a mini pocket blade. It's got a nice little clip on the belt. It fits into a little pouch. If you need to open up a box, you simply snap it open. You cut the box open, and it is pretty sharp. Now, if I need to cut the box, I can simply do like so. As you can see, it made a nice cut. I'll do that again on camera. Nice and sharp. If I need to serrated edge, I can cut. If you ever need to sharpen it, you got some wax, a 45-degree angle, depending on the angle you sharpen. This has a clip to close right here. You push in on it and it closes up. This has a little point, so please be careful, and that is to break a glass. I don't have glass to break. And over here, this is a seatbelt cutter that you will grab in there in case of an emergency if you ever need to cut. It is a nice blade. It is about the size of a hand. Great for a gift. Go camping. For the kitchen to slice some things up. Or if you're just cutting boxes for recycling and you need to tie things up. Whatever you need, you got a mini pocket blade that is with a nice small pouch that will fit on the belt and a nice gift for anyone. You're looking for a nice product, a nice mini pocket blade to carry with you. This product may be right for you.